guys, because I need about my Christmas tree. I need a lot of things to put in there. So here we go. We topic about trust to the person or not to trust, because something nice to topic that, very nice, very nice, look like I like it. Yeah, and thanks for the person who thumbs up. We go to the topic about trusted to the person. We are all have a lot of friends, that's what friends are for good times and bad times. I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Yeah, you got me? Then each one of us, we found the greatest, the fabulous friend that we meet in social media or in person. Now, you have a friend that you can land on. You can have, a lot of a song about friend. Like a count on me, a friendship I will never end. With you, I will be strong, helping you to carry on. Call on me, I will be there. Don't be afraid. Please believe in when I say, count on, you can count on me. About the friendship. Yeah. You found a friend that you trusted. You share your thing, you share your, like, a lot of it, up and down, those bad things or good things. You share for it because you think that can be trust. Yeah. Suddenly, just only a small something misunderstanding, right? Something small, leaking, but can create big problem. Then you can treasure how much the great friend she or he is, right? In times that something misunderstanding, something a little bit leaky, create go to something serious problem. You can treasure that, how great the trust. But based in my experience, I got 2 times. Yeah. I testimony on myself that I got 2 times a friend that I thought that I can land on, I can depend on, and everything. Like I dedicated the song that about a friend, but still worst. Just a small problem create trouble. Yeah. And I found it the 2 times happening in me. 2 friend or something turned to into fake friend. Because you never be trusted them. I thought that can be trust, but it's not. A small problem, guys. A small problem, guys, turn to into a create a serious thing, and then spreading all your everything on it. Imagine, each one of us, we have a lots of friends. But I challenge you there, guys. I have a lots of friends in person, in here. In Butuan, I have a lots of friends. I have a friend that too longer, you know, she's really trusted in me. Why? She treasure how princess to be trustable. In what way? Well, I told you she had a foreigner, Malaysian, working in here in Butuan, that one of plywood company, yeah, and then they had that kind of a Malaysian foreigner telling on to my friend that build a house, everything. Yeah, it's already built a house, everything on it. They live in each other. When the Malaysian is out in the Philippines, because he's manager in one of a company plywood here in Butuan. Every time that there is some business meeting, of course he did not here in the Philippines. So my friend had something happy and go with another guy. And you know what? I never tell to the Malaysian foreigner of my friend whatever she said, whatever what she doing while the partner foreigner out of the Philippines. I keep silent. Yeah, even though the foreigner said, "Princess, did my partner good girl?" I said yes. I never say bad. I say yes. There's anything problem? And then the foreigner said, nothing, just asking. But he did not know that every time that he go away, go to the business meeting in other country, my friend got having fun with the Filipino, have a good time. But Princess keep keeping a secret that at all, because in the name of a friend, a friendship that never ends. Yeah. But in here in the social media is very different. I have a lot of learn on it, because I thought that based on my experience in here, I got 2 times that I got wrong friend that I thought that can to, can be trust, but it's not. Just only a small thing. I found out how great it is. Imagine it's just a small, and then whoo, blow the air in social media, spreading those things that mostly is lying, mostly is not true. Yeah. Yes, I meet a friend in here in social media. In the first place, friend is only once I meet. The second friends is many times. But only vacation in there for a couple days. But it's not enough to knowing each other. Yeah? It's not enough to knowing each other too much. But what I got is some people like spread the fake people is spreading those lies story because of the fake friend that telling in a wrong info and then spreading to other people, then other people also putting with another story to spreading to anyone.